Magandang umaga po. So first, we study about the measurement under kilogram, hectogram, decagram, and grams. First in line, if the given is 4.5 kilogram to hectogram, so we multiply it by 10 or we move decimal to the right in one place because hectogram there is only one zero. So first we multiply from the right side. So the answer is 45 hectogram. So 4.5 kilogram, it equals to 45 hectogram. Another example, 4.55 kilograms into decagram. So we move the decimal point because in 1 kilograms to decagram is multiplied by 100. So we move the decimal point to the right in two places to the right. So the answer is 455 decagram. So this is the example of finding kilograms to decagram. 4.55 kilogram to decagram, it equals to 455 decagram. So sana naintindihan po nyo. Thank you guys. All. Bye-bye.